Hi, welcome back to my channel, and for this video I want to show you how to set up your Woocommerce store address. Okay, so the address will be used especially in the emailing and also for general information to your customers. So to do that, you need to switch to the settings section of your Woocommerce and then provide an address. So for the sake of this video, I'll just use a test address, but ensure that you are providing the actual address of your business so that you don't mislead your customers, and it's also easier for Google SEO to rank you and make it available for the customers nearby. So I'll just use that, and then let's say road B. And then you need to provide the city. So if you are in the UK, maybe you can just say London. Okay, and then if you have a zip code, you can actually provide a zip code. So I'll just get a quick zip code. Okay, just for the sake. So I just use this one. Okay, postcode areas. Wow, let me just get an easy one like this one. I hope it's a simple one. So once you've done that, you need to also set up the selling location. So if you are not selling like worldwide, you might want to switch these to specific countries so that customers outside those countries will not be able to actually purchase your products. Especially for physical products. For digital products, I feel just switch to sell to all countries as long as you are able to, figure out the logistics and also tax. Then for the shipping locations, just select where you would like to ship. If you ship to all countries, select ship to all countries. If you can't, just ship to specific countries only. And then if you are selling digital products because they don't require shipping, just disable shipping. Okay, and then for default customer location, you can select this via geolocate API or shop country, or can just provide this no location by default. So that's how you can set up the address and the shipping related stuff in your Woocommerce store. See you in the next video.